I recently had a patient who was feeling constantly tired and decided to get a blood test. So to her surprise, the results showed that she had fully developed diabetes. She was in a complete shock. She looked at me and asked, "How can I suddenly develop diabetes?" The important thing to understand is that diabetes is not a sudden condition. Your body always gives you warning signs. You just need to know how to listen. And today we will learn exactly how to do that. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas, Sangotra, an Ayurvedic doctor with 15 years of a clinical experience. In this video, I will share the key signs your body gives you when your blood sugar levels are too high. And by the end, I will also explain how someone can develop diabetes even without eating too many sugary foods. But before we dive in, I have something special for you. We are offering a free personalized Ayurvedic health report that reveals your unique body type. That is Prakriti, which tells what are you made up of. Your current imbalance of dosha is very important to understand what you should eat or what you should not eat. The ama toxic level in your body is called the mother of all illnesses, digestive fire, much more. It takes just a few minutes. Simply click the link in the description, fill out a short questionnaire and gain deep insight into your health through Ayurveda parameter. So don't miss it out. Try it today, try it now. Diabetes doesn't appear overnight. Your body gives a warning signs before condition fully develops. These signs are your body's way of telling you that your sugar metabolism is out of balance. So what are those common signs of diabetes? Look for all these common signs which I'm going to tell you right now. First is increased thirst and frequent urination. Your body tries to flush out excess sugar, making you feel thirsty all the time. Second is extreme hunger or sudden weight loss. Either you feel constantly hungry or you start losing weight without trying, means this could be the sign. Next is fatigue and low energy. So high blood sugar prevents your cells from getting proper energy, leaving you exhausted. Another important sign is blurred vision. Excess sugar affects the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, causing vision problem. Another sign is slow healing wounds. Cuts and wounds take longer time to heal due to poor circulation. Then is if you feel numbness and tingling in hands or feet, this happens when high sugar level damage your nerve. Another important sign is dark patches on the skin, acanthosis nigricans. It's a velvety dark patches usually onto the neck, armpit or groin, indicate insulin resistance. When we talk about these common signs, Ayurveda is 5,000-year-old science. So Ayurveda identified prodromal symptoms. Ayurveda used term in Vedas called Purva Rupa. Thousands of years ago, these signs show up even before the disease is trying to establish in the body. So following are the sign which comes before the diabetes established in the body. Always remember that. First is coated tongue and bad breath. Ayurveda says that toxic ama accumulates, affecting digestion and metabolism. Second is sweetness in mouth and urine. Sugar starts leaking into body fluids, making your urine taste sweet. Ancient physicians tested this by noticing ants attracted to the urine. So next is if you feel excess thirst and lethargy, the body loses balance, leading to dehydration and fatigue is the sign. Another is heaviness in the body and the lack of stability. Kapha accumulation makes you feel sluggish and heavy. Next is burning sensation in palms and feet. This indicates rising pitta and excess sugar affecting your circulation. Strong body odor. So poor metabolism leads to unusual body smell, loss of. So what to do if you notice these signs? First is check your sugar level. Don't ignore early symptom, get a blood test done. Next is balance your diet. Avoid excess sweets, processed foods, canned foods, and heavy meals because they can vitiate kapha. Next is improve digestion, your agni. Weak digestion leads to toxic buildup. So include bitter foods, spices like turmeric, cumin, black pepper, long pepper, and herbs like guruchi, that is Tinospora cordifolia, highly effective. And then is very important part of our life. Stay active. Exercise daily to improve insulin sensitivity. Ayurvedic detox. Ayurveda recommend using herbs, and Panchkarma therapy is amazing way to remove toxins and reduce metabolic balance. So What is my conclusion? Our body gives warning signs before diabetes fully develops. It's up to us to listen. How we can listen? When we have knowledge, when we have awareness. So this video will give you that awareness. Ayurveda helps us understand these signals and restore balance naturally. So by making simple changes like improving digestion, staying active, eating mindfully, you can take control of your health before it's too late. So want deeper Ayurvedic health insight? Click the link in the description to get your free personalized health report. It takes just a few minutes. Like and share, subscribe if you found this helpful. Hit share with loved ones and subscribe for more Ayurvedic wisdom. Turn on notifications so you never miss a health tips. So stay healthy, stay balanced. I see you in the next video. Like always, lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.